Konnichiwa.
Welcome to our channel by BhaSha.
This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali.
For easy recipe videos, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.
Today we'll be making traditional Indian cottage cheese known as paneer. This recipe is quite similar to our cream cheese video.
So to know the difference, please do watch this video till the end. Without any further delay, let's get started.
On medium heat, take some milk in a saucepan. We have taken 1.5 liters of milk. Keep stirring so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Once it comes to a boil, add lemon juice or vinegar in parts. We have used vinegar as we ran out of lemons. As you can see, curds have formed almost instantly. Once the whey and curds have separated distinctly, turn off the heat. Take a big bowl and place a strainer on top of it. Place a cotton or muslin cloth on this and strain the paneer properly. In some cuisines, cottage cheese is used in this form itself. However, in India, we usually use cubes for various curries. Wrap the paneer in the cloth and place a heavy weight on top of the cloth. We are using a mortar and pestle. Keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now refrigerate for about 2 to 3 hours. We have refrigerated it overnight and this is how it looks. You can now chop the paneer into cubes or use it as per your preference. And there you have it, easy paneer at home.
Thank you so much for watching our video till the end.
So now you know the difference between paneer and cream cheese.
We will be using paneer in a variety of different recipes from now onwards. So please stay tuned for our upcoming videos as well.
To get notified instantly for the upcoming videos, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And also follow us on Instagram. All the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.
Arigatou gozaimashita.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.